What if the reason some Kias die at 90,000 miles while others cross 300,000 isn't a build defect, but a specific design quirk that standard mechanic manuals totally overlook? Today, we are breaking down the exact Korean spec fluid and pressure secrets that factory mechanics use to keep these engines bulletproof forever. 11. Using the right engine oil interval. The first place to look for true longevity isn't a fancy aftermarket upgrade or a hidden engine trick. It's something much simpler, like the oil protecting your engine every single day. The biggest mistake many Kia owners make is believing the maintenance schedule tells the entire story. Your engine doesn't know what the owner's manual says. It only knows the brutal conditions it has to survive. Modern Kia engines, especially turbocharged models like the 1.6T and 2.5T, rely heavily on clean oil to protect critical components like timing chains, turbocharger bearings, internal engine parts, and variable valve timing systems. The problem is that factory intervals are often calculated around ideal conditions. Actual driving is much harder. With the combination of short trips, heavy traffic, extreme temperatures, and dusty environments, the oil can break down much faster. If you check the Kia manual for modern SmartStream engines, the normal oil change interval is listed around 7,500 to 8,000 miles. However, the manual slashes the severe service interval straight down to 3,750 miles, or 6 months. Since short commutes and stop-and-go traffic technically qualify as severe, waiting for the standard 8,000-mile mark is actively wearing down your engine. Regular oil changes remain one of the cheapest ways to prevent catastrophic engine failure. 10. Keeping turbo engines healthy. But have you ever wondered why two identical Kia turbo engines can have completely different lives? One might run smoothly for hundreds of thousands of miles, while another starts developing expensive problems much earlier. A lot of that difference comes down to how the turbocharger is treated. And in many modern Kias, the oil protecting the engine is also protecting one of the hardest working components under the hood. Models like the Kia Sportage 1.6T, Sorento 2.5T, and K5 GT rely on turbochargers that operate under extreme heat and pressure. In these cars, the oil protecting the engine is also responsible for cooling a turbine spinning at over 100,000 revolutions per minute. The turbos are not complicated to maintain, rather they simply need the right habits. Clean oil is essential. Giving the engine time to warm up before heavy acceleration reduces stress. And after intense driving, allowing the turbo system to cool down can help prevent unnecessary wear. Neglecting this habit leads to turbo failures, and a replacement will easily set you back $1,500 to $2,500 at a mechanic. A turbo engine rewards owners who choose to treat it with patience. 9. Cooling system maintenance. Imagine that you're driving your Kia on a hot summer day. The temperature gauge moves slightly higher than normal, and then it drops back down. Most drivers would probably think, "It's fine, it only happened once." But that small warning could be the beginning of one of the most expensive mistakes an owner can make. The reason is that engines are incredibly sensitive to heat. A cooling system problem that starts with a small coolant leak or a weak thermostat can eventually turn into warped cylinder heads, damaged seals, or a blown head gasket. And those repairs are not cheap. A simple cooling system fix might cost a few $100s, but major overheating damage can easily climb into the thousands. That's why long-term Kia owners pay attention to the basics of checking coolant levels, hoses, radiators, thermostats, and water pumps. So whether it's a Telluride, Sorento, or Sportage, the rule remains the same. Engines can survive neglect, but they rarely survive overheating. 8. Cleaning the intake system. But not every engine problem announces itself with a warning light or a rising temperature gauge. Some problems happen slowly, almost invisibly, until you suddenly notice your Kia doesn't feel the way it used to. Modern engines, especially direct injection engines, can develop carbon buildup over time because fuel no longer washes over certain intake components the way it did in older designs. Turbocharged Kia engines like the 1.6T and 2.5T SmartStream can be affected by this as mileage increases. The symptoms usually start small: a slightly rough idle, maybe a little hesitation when accelerating, or simply a feeling that the engine isn't as smooth or responsive as before. The best approach is prevention. Keeping air filters fresh, maintaining a clean intake system, inspecting components when symptoms appear, and using quality fuel can all help reduce problems. But don't fall for miracle fixes. A bottle of cleaner cannot replace proper maintenance. Preventing the buildup is always cheaper than repairing the damage it can create. 7. Protecting the transmission. But protecting the engine is only half the battle. Even if the motor stays healthy, one neglected component can turn a reliable Kia into a very expensive repair. A Kia engine replacement is costly, but transmission repairs can hurt just as much, and they often catch owners by surprise. Modern Kia vehicles use several different transmission designs, including traditional 6-speed and 8-speed automatic transmissions, as well as dual clutch systems found in performance and turbocharged models. The key to keeping them healthy is recognizing that transmissions need care too. Overheating, neglected fluid, and ignoring early shifting problems can accelerate wear over time. Dual clutch transmissions also need special attention because they operate differently from traditional automatics. Some hesitation or low-speed behavior can be normal, but excessive creeping in traffic or ignoring unusual noises and harsh shifts can create unnecessary stress. The biggest mistake owners make is waiting until the transmission completely fails. If you're enjoying these maintenance tips, hit subscribe because the next few habits are the ones many Kia owners never think about, but they can make the difference between a vehicle that ages gracefully and one that becomes expensive to own. 6. Taking care of the hybrid battery cooling system. As Kia moves toward more hybrid and electrified vehicles, there's a new part of ownership many drivers are still learning about. And it's hidden somewhere most people never think to check: the hybrid battery. Models like the Kia Niro Hybrid, Sportage Hybrid, and Sorento Hybrid rely on battery packs that generate heat during normal operation. To keep temperatures under control, these systems use cooling vents that allow air to flow through and protect the battery. The problem is that those vents can slowly collect dust, hair, and debris, especially in vehicles that carry passengers, pets, or spend years on the road. When airflow becomes restricted, the battery can run hotter than intended, which may lead to reduced performance and additional stress on the system. But don't worry, because the solution is also surprisingly simple. Just keep the battery cooling intake area clean. The hybrid vehicles may use different technology than traditional cars, but the rule remains the same. Anything that works hard needs proper care. 5. Rust prevention and underbody care. However, even the most advanced hybrid system can't protect a vehicle from one of the oldest enemies of every car on the road: corrosion. Many vehicles don't leave the road because the engine gives up. They leave because the body underneath slowly starts falling apart. This is especially true for cars that spend years in snowy climates where road salt is common, or coastal areas where salty air accelerates rust. The damage often starts where owners rarely look. Brake lines can corrode, exhaust components can deteriorate, and suspension parts can weaken as rust spreads underneath the vehicle. That's why it's so frustrating, because preventing this damage is usually much easier than repairing it. Simple habits like rinsing the underbody, cleaning wheel wells, and removing built-up dirt and salt can make a major difference over years of ownership. 4. Using quality fuel and filters. But protecting the body of the car is only one part of long-term reliability, because even if the outside stays clean, what goes into the engine matters just as much. Fuel quality plays a direct role in how efficiently a Kia engine performs. It affects everything from injector cleanliness to combustion quality and long-term efficiency. Because GDI systems inject fuel at pressures exceeding 2,000 pounds per square inch, even tiny amounts of deposit buildup can distort the spray pattern, leading to poor combustion and severe engine knock. Long-term owners bypass this by exclusively fueling up with top-tier detergent gasoline. Top-tier fuel contains high levels of specialized detergents certified by major automakers to prevent fuel injector fouling and combustion chamber deposits. Using cheap, non-certified fuel causes contaminants to slowly degrade your gas mileage, create a rough idle, and gradually choke out your engine's power delivery over time. 3. Paying attention to small warning signs. But even with perfect fuel and clean systems, no engine stays healthy forever without one critical habit from the owner, which is paying attention when something starts to feel slightly off. Because the Kia that reaches 300,000 miles usually isn't the one that never has problems. It's the one where the owner reacts before those problems get worse. The warning signs are often small at first. Unusual noises, a check engine light that comes and goes, burning smells, slight hesitation when accelerating, even small fluid leaks. This brings us to the famous Theta 2 problem. If you own a 2011 to 2015 Kia Optima, Sorento, or Sportage equipped with the 2.4-liter or 2.0T GDI engine, you need to be highly vigilant. These specific model years were prone to premature rod-bearing failures due to manufacturing debris left inside the engine blocks. If you experience a faint metallic knocking sound or sudden severe oil consumption, this isn't a minor issue to ignore. Be proactive and run your VIN through the Kia recall portal to see if your vehicle is covered under the massive factory recall, and ensure your local dealership has performed the required knock sensor detection system update. Kia extended the warranty coverage on these affected short blocks, so staying informed completely empowers you to protect your investment. For any Kia, learning the basic language of symptoms saves thousands of dollars. If a rough idle triggers a check engine light, checking the codes right away will isolate the failure. An issue occurring strictly at idle usually points toward air or ignition problems. If the hesitation happens under hard acceleration, it's far more likely to be a fuel or turbo pressure issue. 2. Following the boring maintenance rule. And once you start understanding what your Kia is trying to tell you, the next lesson becomes even more important. Because most long-lasting cars aren't built on special tricks or hidden secrets, they're built on consistency. The truth is that the fundamentals matter more than anything else. And this includes regular oil changes, clean filters, proper fluid levels, healthy tires, as well as well-maintained brakes. None of this is exciting, and none of it feels like a breakthrough. But this is exactly what keeps engines alive for the long run. Most people look for complicated explanations when a car breaks down. But in reality, the difference between a Kia that struggles at 100,000 miles and one that keeps going far beyond that is usually just discipline. The boring maintenance is what creates extraordinary mileage. Because a car that lasts 300,000 miles isn't a special car. It's usually a 3,000-mile car that has been maintained properly 100 times over. And that's what most owners underestimate. 1. Treat your Kia like a long-term machine. And once you realize that consistency matters more than any secret trick, the final piece of the puzzle suddenly becomes easier and clearer. Because the Korean trick that helps Kias last far longer than most people expect isn't a product, an additive, or a hidden engineering hack. It's a mindset. Most owners treat their car like something they fix only when it breaks. They ignore small noises, delay maintenance, and assume problems will stay small on their own. But expert Kia owners think differently. They watch how the car behaves. They don't ignore early symptoms. They don't push maintenance into the future. They act when the problems are still small, not when they become expensive. So follow the rule of monitor, prevent, and repair early. That simple shift changes everything. Because a car doesn't suddenly become unreliable. It becomes unreliable through a long chain of small ignored decisions. And that's the real truth behind longevity. But what's the highest mileage Kia you've ever come across? And more importantly, what model was it, what year, and how far did it actually go? If you've seen a Kia that just refuses to quit, drop it in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We appreciate your support and look forward to making more quality content. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.